Hi everyone, this is Anna, and you're on the Crochetclubstore channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to crochet the beautiful honeycomb stitch. This amazing stitch resembles the structure of honeycombs and creates a wonderful textured effect. This is the right side, and wrong side. The honeycomb stitch is perfect for making bulky and structured items such as scarves, sweaters, and blankets. Its unique appearance will add a special charm and character to your projects. So grab your crochet hook and join me in making something special together. Link to the materials is below the video. Make a slip knot and 16 chains. At the first row, we make 15 single crochets through the back bump third loop of the beginning chain. Insert hook into the second stitch from the hook. Make one chain, turn the work and start the second row. Make one single crochet. To make the next single crochet, insert the hook into the stitch one row down, in our case into the foundation chain. Named it long single crochet. One stitch behind the long single crochet remains unworked. Make one regular single crochet. Make long single crochet. Alternate one regular single crochet and one long single crochet until the end of the row. Into the last stitch, make one single crochet. We finished the second row. This is the wrong side of our pattern. Make one chain and turn the work. Let's start crocheting the third row, where we'll create the honeycombs. Pay close attention to make sure everything turns out perfectly. Make 2 single crochets. Then we'll make a honeycomb stitch. Insert your hook under the 2 long loops as I show in the video. A yarn over and pull the working yarn through these 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and finish the stitch as usual. Make one single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat honeycomb stitch. Please note that one stitch behind the honeycomb stitch remains unworked. Make single crochet into the next stitch. Alternate one honeycomb stitch and one regular single crochet until the end of the row. In the last 2 stitches of the row, crochet to single crochets. This is how you crochet the front row of this pattern. Start crocheting the 4th row. Make one chain. Then make long single crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch one row down. Make one single crochet into the next stitch. Alternate one long single crochet and one regular single crochet until the end of the row. There should be a total of 15 stitches in the row. Make one chain. Turn the work and make the 5th row. It'll be the front row. Make one single crochet. Then make honeycomb stitch. Insert your hook under the 2 long loops as I show in the video. Yarn over and pull the working yarn through these 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and finish the stitch as usual. Make one single crochet into the next stitch. Alternate one honeycomb stitch and one regular single crochet until the end of the row. In the 6th row, we alternate one single crochet and one longer single crochet until the end of the row. Make one chain and turn the work. In the 7th row is the same as 3rd row at the beginning, and at the end of the row we make 2 single crochets, and in the middle we alternate one single crochet and one honeycomb stitch until the end of the row. That's the beautiful textured pattern we created. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you tried this pattern and what projects you use it for. Thanks for watching.